Bruce Baltz is going to be doing an add-on treatment with our Bomital Anti-Cellulite Massage Cream. Before we do that, let's take a look at the active ingredient and some of the recommended tips along with the cellulite cream. Reduce the appearance of cellulite and enhance the appearance of skin firmness. This revolutionary anti-cellulite cream is where science and technology are truly combined to provide clinical results with claim substantiation for health and wellness products. Finally, an answer to one of the problems that has been plaguing mankind for ages: how to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Our anti-cellulite cream has a plant-derived active ingredient called Glaucine, Glaucium flavum, that clinical studies have proven to diminish the appearance of cellulite and enhance the appearance of skin firmness. Recommended application is twice daily for best results. The anti-cellulite cream is available in two sizes: the 8-ounce jar, which is the client size, and the 50-ounce jar, which is the professional size for the back bar.
Okay, in this segment, we're going to be using the Anti-Cellulite Crème, a new product that Bomital has just come out with. And again, these are add-ons. And so if you're considering using this as an add-on treatment, you want to make sure that you add or you apply the Anti-Cellulite Cream before you use any other product on the body. We need this to be absorbed into the tissue and into the pores, and you don't want an additional barrier between that product. And at the same time, we're going to be using warm stones with that application. And so we'll get started for you. I'm initially starting off actually with a little Heartland oil, which is just for aromatherapy benefit, that we're putting right into the water in the stone heater. It brings a nice aroma into the room. Okay, so we'll get started with the Anti-Cellulite Cream right now. Warm it up a little bit before the application. And then we're just going to primarily be concentrating on the gluteal area and the hamstrings. Okay, now we're going to work that in with the warm stone, which is going to make additional assistance, help us with opening up the pores for better absorption. Okay, as we did earlier with any of the stonework, we're going to start on the outside of the leg first. Since this stone's a little bit warm, it's going to be a fast, firm pace to start with. Then as the stone starts to cool down, I slow down the pace. Nice, slow, and firm pressure. In a full treatment, you might do an application with maybe two warm stones. But for this demo, it's the same application, so we'll just be working with one stone right now. Then after this gets fully absorbed into the tissue and you will start to feel increased drag, then you know that the product is being absorbed. Then from that point, we're going to apply a little bit of oil and to calm the area down with the use of cool stones. We're going to be using a lighter oil, the natural oil, and I'll apply that first, then to follow with the hand-carved white marble stones that we use for a coal application. Okay, take a deep breath for me, and exhale. Again, you're applying the cool stone firm and do not move it at first. Let the client get adjusted to the temperature change. Then when you start to move it, it is firm and slow. Remember, taking into consideration your hand position, using the proper hand for your proper wrist angle. and this has a nice glide to it. It's not too much oil where it's going to be able to compromise my body mechanics. Remember, we stress using the right amount of product for the right application. And then you would repeat this on the other leg. We won't be doing that in this demo. But again, these are areas of the body that you would already be massaging with. You don't have to use stones to apply this treatment. It's just an additional add-on if you choose to want to do that, if you already currently work with stones. And it's a stone session, you should obviously maintain that consistency in your treatment. All this can be done just as easily without the use of a stone. So for the spa setting, or we have a retail size of the product, and we also have a larger size which would be used for back bar. So again, we try to make it more affordable, but our main focus here is to have a retail product so your clients can take this home with them, because this is an application which has to be done on a regular basis to get the results that we know it can obtain.